Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing what I found to be one of the quickest ways to boot into safe mode on Windows 10. This video assumes you're able to boot to the desktop. If you cannot get into Windows, this tutorial is not for you. So anyway, if we head over to our Start button, and then we want to left click on the power option, and then while holding down the shift key, left click on restart at the same time. So shift while left clicking on restart. Okay, so now under choose an option, left click on troubleshoot, left click on advanced options, left click on startup settings, and then left click on this restart button. So now we can boot into safe mode. Like in earlier versions of Windows, you have options 4, 5, and 6, which will get you into safe mode with networking, or safe mode with a command prompt. Now you have to do this with the function keys. So I'm going to select F5 for safe mode with networking. Pick whichever F function you want to do depending on your situation, but I'm going to do F5 here. At this point, we have to enter our password if you have one enabled on the computer. And there we go, we are in safe mode. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.